Let's check everything inside here. Okay, we started putting the switch on. Okay, switch on the key. So the lights are gone, as you can see, so which means there's nothing weird in the engine. Let's try to accelerate and check out the RPMs. Alright. As you can see, the RPM's movement is very smooth. It can go out very smoothly. Let's check the other functions in the car. Maybe we can check out the audio.
주연과 음악을 맡았죠. 1998년작 코미디 무협이라는 또 독특한 장르.
See. You can also control it from here. See. And the sound you can control it from here. Let's change the channel. So the audio works perfectly. Shut off. Try the AC. The AC as well should be working very in a good condition. Let's put the fan up. Okay, so the air is blowing. Very good. Okay, I don't know if you can hear the sound of the wind or not, but the AC for cold air. Okay, cold air is coming. Very good. So the AC works just fine, perfect. Perfect, AC works perfectly. Here we got the automatic transmission. What else we got as well here? We got the windows control. Try this window. Okay, perfect. Let's try the other one here. And this one. Lost this one, the last one. All works perfectly. They all work perfectly. Last but not least, the sunroof. We got sunroof in this SORENTO. You can control the sunroof from here. Buttons are here. You press this one to open like that. If you want to open all of it, you press the button beside it. This one here. So it'll open all of it. Okay. The sunroof works perfectly. Everything works just fine. Let's check it out. Everything is good. Check it out. No smoke or oil is coming out, so everything looks just fine. Here's the hood. A little bit of rust from the inside. That rust here.
Esta es Busyman.KR, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo desee. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. Busyman.KR. El número de teléfono celular es +8210 7353 2398. Si está interesado en este automóvil, contáctenos. El sitio web es Busyman.KR. El número de teléfono es +8210 7353 2398. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Si subo otro video, te lo haré saber. Gracias.